Are you the same Erica Anne Aro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams, on January 13, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Whoa! Possession with intent to deliver over 200 grams. That's not a personal stash. Folks, that's enough to classify this case in the heavy hitter category. Texas law treats this like a serious trafficking level crime, not just recreational use.
He's still conferring. All right, who is here on Erica Aro? Are y'all ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is calling 2020 CR 5583 State versus Erica Anne Aro. Could I have parties announced?
I think I'll let them say it. Lindsay Shaw for Mr. Revel.
And are you Miss Aro?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion?
Notice how the judge asks if the defendant actually read and understood the documents. This is crucial. Courts don't want someone later saying, "I didn't know what I was signing." It's all about protecting due process.
To supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Erica Anne Aro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams, on January 13, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
I'm sorry. I was going off of, this might be my mistake. On the front page of the MTR, it shows just she's on for straight possession.
No, it's possession with.
Well, I see that now. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No. Do you need to confer?
I do, because on the first page of just the MTR, not that, but the court summary, it showed that it was just straight. No, the from probation, the court summary.
It's a court summary.
Okay.
It should, yeah. So I only discussed the fact, I thought it was a second degree. So if I may, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Judge.
No problem. It happens. But Sean, they have a volunteer intern training for Master Gardener. I think I'm going to attend. Do you know, one of my friends was a Master Gardener, and if you don't keep up with your classes, she said, they defrocked me. I'm like, what? Yeah, they will take away your Master Gardening designation if you don't keep up with your classes.
And if you're not, I'll take it out.
I'm sorry, what?
I'll take it right.
No. They have water.
But there's no bar.
Hmm? What? All right, I'm going to look and see.
Anything else?
I'm going to look and see. I'm going to see what's going on.
We're looking at the yesterday book.
All right. There's an application fee of $260.
Yes. That's the garden.
And the classes are from August 20th to November 12th.
And I was thinking about them just sort of after that. And then not a happy
I mean, I would love to do it, but the time they're meeting is my class time.
Yeah.
And court time, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
No.
Mr. Featherston, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
All right, Ethan Gonzalez. Hello. All right. Let me,
Judge,
obviously is pulling up his case.
okay, can we go off the internet for just a minute?
Sure, just give me 1 second. No,
Or on the internet?
no problem. All right. You'll need to file those motions.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset, please.
And Judge, as to discovery on the case,
Mm-hmm.
I still have not looked at all the data yet.
Okay.
But I think that 45-day reset will probably take care of that.
Okay.
28 July, okay.
All right. We'll do July 28th.
Let me just double check, Judge. I'm supposed to be out of town sometime in December. In July. I can't remember what it is right now.
Is it for work?
Oh, no. It's going to Colorado. No, that's outside of that time frame, so I'm good.
Oh, you're going to Colorado?
Yes, I'm going to take my motorcycle back up there.
Oh. Okay.
I've made 3 motorcycle trips to Colorado and I go to different mountains each time. So I'm looking forward to going again.
Well, that's always fun. You know, there's an attorney, Patton Zarate. He and I
Yeah.
were in law school together. Now he does a lot of bird watching, and that
Really?
seems very relaxing. And he'll post his bird pictures, and I'm like, wow. And do you know John Economidis actually wrote a book?
About bird watching?
Yeah, Northern Birds. If
I
you
didn't
look
know
it
that.
up, oh, and it's a
Very smart guy.
it's a major book, and it's
Yeah.
well received, critically acclaimed. If you look it up.
I will never know that.
Oh, he's a
Yeah.
Renaissance man.
He must be.
Yeah. All right. So we'll bring you back on July 28th.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right. Do
Appreciate
you need
that.
to speak with him or anymore? Or?
No, Judge, I've already had a conversation.
All right. Then the deputies will take him back. So we'll come back on the 28th.
I'll see you later. Okay?
And Norma, on that one, I just need to. All right, we're back on the record in 2020 CR 5583 State versus Erica Anne Aro. Could I have parties re-announced, please?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Lindsay Shaw for Mr. Revelo.
All right, Ms. Arevalo, you reviewed the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Erica Anne Aro who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020?
Here's where things heat up. We're back on the record, and the state is about to drop the hammer. Multiple months of failure to report. For probationers, skipping check-ins is like breaking the golden rule. You just don't do it.
CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on January 13, 2020-21 for a period of 5 years. Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
The state's going to be pursuing on the motion to supplement the motion to introduce not a copy.
Yes.
So violation of condition number 5 in Dare County, Texas, the defendant Erica Anne Aro did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 2024 in violation of condition number.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
We'll wait and abandon it.
Any objection to the waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 5 years or 99 years or life in prison and up to 10,000.
This is the make or break moment. By pleading true to the violation, Erica admits she broke probation rules. That gives a judge the power to revoke and impose the original sentence, potentially decades in prison. Imagine having your future hinge on a single word, true or not true.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, there's not. The state is asking for revocation, given the defendant's being true and in compliance with reporting on conditions of probation.
All right, in defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, if you look at the court summary, probation was recommending SATIF, and in this case, we are asking that the court consider something lesser than sending Ms. Arevalo to prison. We obviously, by pleading true, she understands that it was wrong to not report for over 2 years, but I would like to point out from January of 2021 until July of 2023, she did report. She was reporting. She did complete the outpatient treatment program, and she was holding down a full-time job. That job, which she still did have until she was arrested last month. She's a full-time cashier at a Shell gas station. It's the same job she had when she got this probation. When she stopped reporting in July of 2023, and I'm going to have her speak to the court, but she sort of got tasked with helping take care of her disabled mother. She's also been helping her grandchild, helping take care of her 5-year-old granddaughter who has she's special needs. She has a feeding tube. There's a lot of issues going on, and so she put that above taking care of herself and doing what she was supposed to do by reporting to probation. She has no criminal history besides this felony case. She does not have any other felonies. She's never been on any other type of deferred adjudication, and she's never been to prison, obviously. So we're asking the court punish her by sending her to a treatment facility, but give her a second chance before she's gets a felony conviction and has to go to TDC. And if I would like to call Ms. Arevalo.
All right, you're going to raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Erica.
All right, you may proceed.
Hey, Erica, I want you to tell the judge, why should she give you this opportunity? Why should she not revoke you and continue you on probation? Can you tell the court?
You can give me a second chance. More better out there of service out there.
This is Erica's plea for mercy, highlighting her family responsibilities and her first time incarceration. But notice the tension. She's saying she's a better asset to her family outside of prison, while the state argues she's been ignoring probation rules for years.
Than I am in prison. Never been to prison. This is actually my first time ever being locked up this long. I'm actually I did a whole 180. That was in 2020. I work now. I am actually a grandmother. I still take care of my kids. I still, my son lives with me. I help my mother because she's disabled. My brother was her provider, but then he passed away like 3 months ago. So I've been having to help my daughter with her special needs. She's blind and eats through a feeding tube, so I also have to help her. I'm a babysitter for my other daughter while I'm not working. So I don't want the felony on my record because then it would be harder for me to get a job. So if you could just take a chance on me again, I'm actually a lot better out there than I am here. I'm not even a criminal. I've never even.
No, I mean, you had drugs that you intended to deliver. They were in baggies. And what I can tell you is everybody in the box will tell me that they're better in the real world than being in prison. And one of your conditions of probation that you just testified to violating is that I ordered that you were not to have unsupervised contact with minors and you're babysitting. And the reason why I ordered that is because you have possession with intent to deliver drugs. And it was a lot of drugs.
No, I mean, that's not the reason why I totally dropped all of that when my grandkids came up. Because how am I going to help them if I'm in prison? So that's basically.
I mean, all you had to do was report.
I mean, I've been taking care of everybody else besides myself. And
So honestly, basically, you haven't been doing probation. You know, a lot of people feel as though when they're on probation, they're supposed to report and do certain things. Those are called their conditions.
Judge nails a key issue. Probation isn't just about staying out of trouble. It's about following conditions. Saying, I didn't pick up new charges is enough. It's like telling your boss, hey, I didn't quit, but I also didn't show up to work all year.
And they're just like, well, I know I didn't do anything on probation, but I didn't pick up any new offenses. I'm just out here living my life. If that's the case, then you're not really on probation because you're not reporting, you're not doing anything that you're supposed to do. You're just living your life. And when people come before me and they say, I know I haven't reported for over a year, which you haven't reported for over a year, but I didn't pick up any new cases. Do you know that is not really saying anything? Because there are a lot of people who are not on probation and who haven't picked up any new cases. That's like the bare minimum. Don't pick up any new cases. Don't, join a gang. So you haven't done anything on probation. What have you done?
I've been working and helping out my family and doing everything until I ended up having to move in with my mom, and then she ended up losing her housing. And I know it, life is like the dumbest, but actually I've been living life trying to better myself and do the, if you could just give me, I've never even been to prison. I'm sorry, I don't want this on my record because then it's going to be harder for me to even get a job when I do, say you do send me.